Hey guys, welcome back to the CX8 Updates channel here. With me, Roberto Michael Ignacio speaking here as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Oscar Franklin. And today we will be talking about the Cathay Pacific 777-300 non-year that returned to Hong Kong from Xiamen for maintenance. For the days that you stay there, kindly check the description of it. So, the registration display is Bangladesh Hotel November Oscar, issued to her flight number 6 for 821, with the great conditions of Private Air 6 kilometers and option flight of 1 hour 18 minutes, called to 1 kilometer and a trim of 200 or 81 degrees as you can see here. This aircraft took off at wait, runway oh 05 at Xiamen Gaopi at exactly 12:30 to midnight local time in Xiamen. This is the third runway at Chetan Hong Kong Airport at exactly 1:35 a.m. local time in Hong Kong. So this aircraft is special for having a typo on the right side of the fuselage saying Cathay Pacific instead of Cathay Pacific with the missing letter F. So actually got happened in September 23 right after Bravo Hotel Number Lima retired to reserve and Bravo Hotel Number Sierra, her successor, was delivered. So for the details of this plane, kindly check the previous video of our for Oscar. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next update. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. Well, by me, Roberto Monaco Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Gui. Bye guys and see you in the next update.